Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're frustrated because your Snapchat ultra-wide feature isn't working, you're not alone. Let me walk you through some solid fixes that'll get it back up and running. Step 1. First thing you want to do is restart the Snapchat app completely. Close it out of your recent apps, wait about 10 seconds, and then reopen it fresh. This clears any temporary glitches that might be preventing the ultra-wide lens from loading properly. Step 2. Next, check that you've actually enabled camera permissions in your phone settings. Go to your phone settings, find Snapchat in your app permissions, and make sure the camera access is turned on. Without full camera permissions, the ultra-wide feature simply won't activate. Step 3. Now update your Snapchat to the latest version available. Open your App Store, search for Snapchat, and if there's an update waiting, download and install it immediately. Outdated versions often have bugs that block newer camera features like ultra-wide. Step 4. Clear your Snapchat cache to remove corrupted files. Go into your phone settings, find Storage or App Management, locate Snapchat, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary data without deleting your actual account or memories. Step 5. If none of those work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat completely. Back up anything important first, delete the app, then download it fresh from your App Store and sign back in. This usually fixes any lingering software issues with the ultra-wide feature.